Something absolutely wild is going on right now. A brand new AI niche is blowing up, getting millions of views in just a matter of days. We're talking about channels that were just launched last month and are already seeing massive success. One creator hit 900,000 views on their first ever video. Another reached 700,000 views in just 3 weeks. And yet another hit 600,000 views in just 10 days. But here's the most insane part. They started their channels only a month ago and got monetized in less than 10 days. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how this is happening step by step. I'll reveal how to create your own viral videos with AI doing 90% of the work. And trust me, you're about to learn some secrets that no one else has shared with you. Here's the deal. There's a brand new AI video niche exploding right now, and it's really simple. It focuses on emotional topics that grab attention fast. These videos are blowing up for a few key reasons. They hit people right in the feels, they provide valuable facts that viewers can actually use, and they follow a clear, engaging storyline that makes it hard for anyone to click away. This formula is exactly what the algorithm loves, which is why these videos are getting pushed out to millions of people. But here's where AI comes in and changes everything. It used to take hours of hard work and lots of money to make these types of videos. Now, you can create them in minutes using free AI tools. So in this video, I've got an updated step-by-step guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to launch your own philosophy channel. And I promise, your channel will have huge potential to go viral. Let's start with the first step, channel creation. I'm going to show you how to create a perfectly branded channel, so get ready, because this is going to be insane. First things first, open up ChatGPT and ask it to generate a list of 10 potential channel name ideas for a philosophy channel. Feel free to use my exact prompt for the best results. You can stop here and get the whole script, or simply go to my Google Doc, link in the description. Once you choose the name you like, ask ChatGPT to create a description for your channel. All you have to do is copy the channel name and plug it into the prompt. Click generate, and just like that, you've got the perfect name and description for your channel. Now go to YouTube Studio, paste your chosen name, pick a catchy handle, and don't forget to add that description. But here's the thing, you're still missing a channel logo. So let's create one. I've placed 3 different logo prompts in my Google Doc. All you need to do is choose one style, copy the prompt, and open your preferred text-to-image tool, such as Leonardo AI, InVideo AI, or others. Since I have a Runway subscription, I'll be using Runway here. If you don't have a subscription, don't worry. You can copy my prompt into any other tool. Trust me, I've tested my prompt and the results are consistently stable across different platforms. Search Runway and open. Sign up or log in. Then we can see this interface. Click Generate Image, paste the prompt here, choose ratio 1:1. Click Generate, wait for the AI magic. Now it is ready, let's check. It's quite good, so I will download it here. But if you don't like the results, feel free to click Regenerate. Now head over to YouTube Studio and upload the logo you just made. Just like that, your channel is up and running. Now, I'm going to share something that can significantly increase your channel's visibility, and it's something that most experts don't mention. If you go to the channel settings, you'll find a section where you can add your channel keywords. Next, I'll guide you through creating SEO optimized keywords that will enhance your channel's visibility. Go back to my Google Doc, copy the prompt for channel keywords, paste it to ChatGPT. Make sure to use the exact prompt that I'm using for the best results. Now just click Generate and the AI coach will give you a list of the most perfectly optimized keywords for your channel, then copy the result to your channel. Now that you have the keywords ready, make sure to copy them, then head back into YouTube and paste them into the channel keyword section, and that's pretty much it. Now simply save the settings, and after that, don't forget to click Publish, and just like that, your channel is totally ready. Now let's dive into video creation. Here's the deal. If I were like some other gurus, I'd just tell you to create a script using a basic prompt in ChatGPT. But I'm not going to do that because that method will give you a boring script. Instead, I'm going to show you the only proven way to create a really engaging script, so pay attention. First, go find a channel that posts videos in the same niche you're targeting. Feel free to use the same channel I'm using here. Go to the Videos tab and check out their most popular videos. You'll likely find a video that was posted just a month ago with over 1 million views. That's a good sign that the content works. Click on that video, then hit the share button and copy the link. Next, head over to a tool called DubDub. Once sign up or log in, click AI transcription, click YouTube, paste the link here, click transcribe, click confirm. This process is instant, and within seconds, you'll have the full script of that video. Close the timestamp and then copy it. Now you're ready to make your own original version. Open ChatGPT, paste the script, and then scroll up to the top of the script. Go to my Google Doc and copy the prompt for rewriting script. Now click Generate, and now you've got a brand new script based on the original. As ChatGPT has a word limit for its output, the prompt I use asks GPT to give only one section for one time. So after the section 1 is ready, you should type continue and click enter, then it will generate the section 2. Continue this process until the whole script is ready. This process will take about a minute, but trust me, this is the best way to get a script that actually works. Once it's done, you've got your perfect script for the video. Now we have the script, but we still need a title. Go to my Google Doc and copy the prompt for title you need to replace here with your target title. Now, it's time to create the voiceover. We're going to use a tool called 11 Labs. Once you're in, select the text-to-speech tool. You'll see lots of voice options, but for these types of videos, I recommend using the Callum voice. It's a perfect fit. Open the script you've created and make sure to copy section 1. Paste it into the text box, then click Generate Speech. This will take about 30 seconds. Once it's done, give it a listen and download the audio if you like it. You have to continue the process until all the section is ready. Just like that, you've got the perfect voiceover for your video. Now, it's time to create the visuals. Go back to the chat where you made the video script and go back to my Google Doc and copy the prompt for image generation E. Ask ChatGPT to generate around 30 detailed image prompts that match your script. You can pause the video here and copy my prompts, or head over to my Google Doc. Once you've got the image prompts, it's time to create the visuals. I will use Runway, and you can use any other tools you like. Open it up, paste the first image prompt, set the image dimensions to 16.9. That's the perfect size for a long video. Then click Generate. Once it's done, you'll have your first visual ready to go. Download the images you like the most. Repeat this for each image prompt you've created. You'll need about 30 to match the script. Repeat the process until all of your images is ready. Now let's move on to editing the video. We'll use CapCut. It's a solid editing tool, and best of all, it's free. Alright, watch closely because we're about to take this video to the next level. First, upload all the files you've created so far. Next, drag all of the images into the timeline below. Then take the first part of the voiceover and drag it onto the timeline as well. Do the same for the other parts of the voiceover, placing it right after the first. But for this demonstration, I will only use one part of the voiceover. You'll notice that each image lasts about 5 seconds, which is perfect for the flow of the video. Now let's add some cool effects. Open the effects menu and search for film frame. It's free and gives your video a nice vintage look. Drag it over your images, then stretch it so it covers all of them. Next, let's add a zoom in and zoom out animation to make the video more dynamic. Start with the first image. Select it, and at the beginning of the image, add a keyframe by clicking the dot on the timeline. Then go to the end of the image and scale it to around 115%. A second keyframe will automatically be added. Now let's adjust those keyframes. Press Alt+K to open the keyframe editor. Click on the first keyframe, then click Auto Curve to smooth out the animation. Do the same for the second keyframe. After that, drag the second keyframe to the end of the first image. Repeat this for the other images in the video. Each one will zoom in and out, keeping things engaging. Now that you've added the zoom effects, it's time for transitions. Go to the transitions menu and search for blink. It's free and works perfectly for this style. Drag the transition between the first and second images, then hit apply to all. This will give your video smooth transitions between all the images. Now, let's make a few final adjustments to polish everything up. First, let's adjust the overall look of the video. Open the adjustment menu, then drag it over your images in the timeline. Extend it so it covers the entire video. In the adjustment settings, scroll down and find the vignette option. Set it to about +15. This will add a subtle shadow around the edges of your video, giving it that philosophical vibe. Now take all the images, effects, and adjustments you've made, right-click on them, and create another compound clip. For the final touch, add the blink transition between each compound clip to make everything flow seamlessly. Then open the animations menu and add a fade in at the start and a fade out. Next, let's add captions to the video. Go to the text menu and select Auto Captions. Click Generate. This will take about a minute. Once the captions are ready, they'll appear on your video. However, the captions might look a bit basic, so let's improve them. Open the animations menu and select the captions option. I've picked a free template that looks great, but feel free to use one that you prefer. Then go to the font section and choose a font you like. I'm using Archivo Black for this. Make the text bold, set it to uppercase, and tilt it slightly for extra impact. Set the text size to 7 and change the color to yellow for a nice pop. Scroll down to stroke and set the strength to 30 for a cleaner look. Finally, position the text near the bottom of the screen. Now your captions are looking sharp. Then select all the captions, right-click to create a compound click, choose it, and open the animations menu and add a fade in at the start and a fade out. To add some background music, go ahead and find a no copyright track that matches the philosophy vibe. Go to import the music into CapCut and drag it below the voiceover. Copy and paste the music so it fills the video, and trim the end to match the length of the video. For a smoother audio transition, add a 1-second fade in at the beginning and a 1-second fade out at the end. For the background music, reduce the volume to 20 so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Once everything looks perfect, go ahead and export your video. That's all for the editing part. Once your video is ready, upload it to your YouTube channel. Consistency is key to success. If you don't see results in the first few days, that's completely fine. Keep uploading, learn from every video, and eventually one will go viral and make $10,000 in its second month. Keep pushing forward, and I'll see you in the next one.